honor of Rosemary LaBerge, Sandra Jacobs, Brian Shipp Jr., Brent Rogers, Becky Burford, Trudy Manning, Kelly Tanner, Cody Tanner, Juanita Lewis, Geraldine Williams, Janet Knapp, Jackie Schaefer, Doris Cooper, Eleanor Augustine, Becky Ward, Ella Lindbergh, Christina Martin, Irene Elmer, James Elmer, Kathy Wagner, Joan King, Mid Casper, Linda Manning, Linda Krestik, Lena Labarca, Chris Labarca, Jean Miller, Judy Beneski, Tammy Smith, Ann Valerio, Kathy Fisher, and Ellen Slater. In memory of Fred Cooley, Al Kuziak, Sister Linda Hudson, Peter Grimm Sr., Bob Hazelrig, Karen Hazelrig,